know many people are having trouble with reattaching the harness on their Graco Nautilus 65.3 in one car seat? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Remove harness straps. Start by removing the harness straps from the arms of the car seat. Keep all components in a safe place for later. Step 2. Prepare seat structure. Have the seat pad fabric moved aside and seat back raised. Ensure the arms are locked into the clean gutters. Step 3. Attach seat pad. Hook 2 elastic loops onto the hooks at the back of the seat to attach the seat pad loops as displayed. Step 4. Thread seat pad. Thread the elastic loop on the seat pad through the vehicle belt guide. Attach it to the hook as shown and do the same for the other side. Step 5. Reinstall harness straps. Now, reverse the process to reinstall the harness straps. At the end of these steps, you should be able to successfully reattach the harness and straps on your Graco Nautilus 65.3 in one car seat. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Graco users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.